Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we will discuss how can you use frequently asked questions to train your AI chatbot. So once you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you will land on this page. On the left hand side, you'll find different options. You have to select the bot which you want to train. If you have not created a bot, you can click on the Create New Bot button right here. And after creating your bot, you just have to tap on the bot's name. Then you have to navigate to the Train Your AI Chatbot section. Here, you'll find different subsections. You can use all of these options to train your AI chatbot and make it smarter. For now, we will be discussing about the FAQs section. To add FAQs, you have to click on the Add Category button right here. You can compile frequently asked questions along with the answers, and then you can organize the FAQs into relevant categories such as pricing, support, or features. And you have to enter that category name here. For the demo purpose, I am entering pricing here. And then you have to provide a brief explanation for each category to help the bot understand its context. So I have added this description. In the same way, you can add number of categories, and then you have to click on the Save button to save these changes. So now the category has been added, but you can see the questions are 0 here. So to add frequently asked questions, you have to tap on the category name. And here you can add all the FAQs that you want to add in this category. You have to click on the Create FAQs button right here. Here you have to type the question and the answer. For the demo purpose, I am entering this. So this way you can add the question along with the answer, and then do not forget to click on the Save button to save these changes. And you can see the question and the answer along with the date has been updated in the list. To add more FAQs, you can click on the Add FAQs button right here. Now you can see the number of questions has been increased. Using the frequently asked questions feature to train your AI chatbot, you can ensure that the bot responds accurately to users' queries. Also, the different categories and descriptions help the bot understand the context, leading to more relevant answers. So that was all about how you can use FAQs to train your AI chatbot and enhance user experience. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.